Hi, my name is Darren Joseph from HTJ.tax. We're the team that seeks to demystify that sometimes confusing world of international tax. Today we have the honor and privilege of speaking with Christophe. Christophe, can you please introduce yourself?
First of all, thank you for having me, Darren. So I'm Christophe Nomads. I'm a French citizen based in Singapore for over 10 years now. And I'm specializing in wealth management, exactly wealth protection and wealth mobility in gold investment.
Fantastic. The next logical question would be, how do you decide which company to work with? Because you're placing a lot of trust in whoever, whether it's your team or another similar team. How do you know which team you can trust and which team you probably need to be a bit more careful with?
First of all, I will just say about common sense. Common sense is this firm license. These people are well known or known in the industry or not. In our industry, we'll say about do your KYC or all your due diligence with public thing. And after it's just about what are you looking for. And I will say, because everything it's about crisis, how it will react of crisis. And obviously you don't know if you are not in a crisis situation, but what you can know is what are the different channels that I have, for example, in order to get access to my wealth. If the company is not there tomorrow, I still have a physical access, or is it only a digital access? Or this is exactly what I will say. It's about doing your due diligence about the company. Are they selling legit product, LBMA product, for example, which is some brands for gold product. But after, yes, what are the different type of entries that I have in order to be sure that my investment is secured? And this is, for example, for us, we still have digital. We have a digital platform, but even without the digital platform, we will still be able to give the same service.
Right, because they're physical locations of different parts of the world.
Even if we are not there tomorrow, our clients will still be able to access their gold because we are not the owner of the gold. We put everything on the name of the client, and we can even give the key of the vault. For it, it's very important. It's very important. To answer after, again, to your question, do your due diligence. Be sure that you are the owner of the gold. Be sure that you are not sharing the gold with someone else, because it's happened that sometimes it's just a pool account and everybody is sharing a piece of bar with another person. No, be sure that you have your own bar, that this own bar is related only to you.
Right.
These are the important things. And after, what are the services? And it's true that we are the ones giving today these services of investment with passport, investment plus mobility around the world. But you will have to look at what kind of services the firm will be able to deliver.
I would also look at the jurisdiction. Are they in a credible jurisdiction such as, let's say, Singapore or Hong Kong? Are they somewhere that's not very regulated, kind of hard to get to, almost off-grid? Are they hiding, Are they in a mainstream, reputed jurisdiction known for wealth management? And what about licensing? For example, here in Singapore, is there some sort of registration process and government oversight?
Yeah, for the one who live in Singapore, and we know how Singapore can be tough. And for the good, because actually it also gives trust for people when they say, okay, I'm in Singapore, you can invest, and we are working with bank in Singapore.
Yeah.
It gives trust, actually.
Yeah.
Yes, in terms of licensing, we are licensed by the Ministry of Law, which is the one regulated the gold investment scheme. Why? It's because we deal mainly with anti-money laundering.
Right.
There is a big scrutiny on this side. And every year you have to show your evidence that you are respecting the guidelines, that you are working on your KYC. So yes, Singapore and the audit and to give trust is very advanced. So this is also why we are here and not in other countries. It's great for that.
Okay. Christophe, thank you very much for sharing some of your time and expertise. If people want to reach you, what's the best way to find you?
If you want to reach me, the best way will be on LinkedIn, also on our website, gold.com.
That's GAULD.com.
GAULD is exactly. Thank you for GAULD.com. And AU is because this is the symbol of gold, actually.